What's up guys, my name is Marcel Flores, welcome back to my YouTube channel One Dapper Street, and today by popular demand we're bringing back a series called the Getting Dressed series, which from now on will be known as the Outfit Step-by-Step series. When I first started it, the idea was to show you guys how I put outfits together. So not only present you with the final product, but show you what the thought process is that goes into that. So you know how I normally do videos like 3 outfits for a first date or something like 3 best fall looks. This series is gonna look at individual looks that apply to any one of those categories depending on what I have going on that day, and I'll let you know about that. And we'll really dive into how I make those looks because I want to teach you how to think about making the outfit rather than just replicating it. So let's jump right in, and today we're gonna take a look at how to style these Converse. I bought these a couple of days ago. I think this is the 5th color I have now in my closet. I absolutely love them. I think they're super versatile, and even a fun color like this can really spice up your shoe closet and make a look a lot more poppy than just a simple black or white or even navy, which is the other colors that I have in my closet. So I'm excited for these. Let's take a look at how I style these shoes. The first thing that popped out to me is the shirt that I'm wearing right now. I bought this yesterday at Urban Outfitters. I think it's cool. Like, and this is not supposed to be dirty or anything. I literally am like a nice guy, so I'll tell somebody like, oh, your mom's a really nice lady. I like it. It's a little bit oversized. I got this in a size large, and we have a white base with a black font that's kind of picking up the color of the sneaker right here. The next thing that I chose to wear is these blue ripped jeans. They're from Topman. I love those, and with Converse what I really like is the skinny silhouette towards the bottom where because the shoe wraps around the ankle so nicely and tightly that you kind of take that silhouette and keep it skinny and tapered at the bottom of the jeans. But then I like the contrast of a more relaxed top, so that's why the combination of jeans and t-shirt. The next thing I tried on was this Bordeaux jacket from Primark that I didn't like for 2 reasons. One, what I just said with the fit, I wanted to be a little bit more relaxed up top to have like a wider top half, but then also the color just doesn't quite match up, and that I just nixed fairly quickly. This is a jacket from Zara from last year in fall. Same thing, it fits a little bit better and the color is a little bit more of a match, but it's too busy for the text on the chest. So then I ended up with this black, washed out black denim jacket, also kind of ripped apart. So it's a really like casual look. It's a Saturday, I have acting class, so I'm like trying to stay chill, but also I'm hanging out with friends going to brunch, so I'm not trying to be like super dressed up. I like the combination of the black denim and the blue denim. It keeps the silhouette like I wanted to. And then I'm just adding a little fanny pack, which I'm a big fan of those right now. I bought this one from Balenciaga a little while ago in Las Vegas. Tying in the Bordeaux of the shoes, tying in the navy of the jeans, and which I really like. It kind of like goes through the graphics a little bit, which I don't hate because it can be a little bit more subtle what this is. It's more about like adding a little bit more surface interest. So with the jacket on top, you cannot even necessarily see the blue. It's just the Bordeaux strap that picks up the color of the shoes again and kind of like drives that point home. I like wearing the bag like this because you can kind of just hide it away. You can pull it out when you need it. Almost fell. I'm liking this. So the last thing I did, because I did like it, now I actually tied my shoes for the first time this entire video, and I added some accessories. My Mont Blanc watch, a Carpe Diem cuff that one of my best friends, Charlene, got me. Thank you, Charlene. And my rings. Linking to everything down below in these videos, everything I can find, but that's what I was happy with. With that, we're almost ready to wrap up this outfit step-by-step video. But if you knew the original Getting Dressed series, also if you haven't checked out the playlist with a bunch of these videos, make sure to do that right here. We always include a little cinematic video for you guys to check out the outfit in motion, and that's coming right now. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this concept. I know a lot of you guys have already shared those, that's why we shot it. But I would still love to hear from all of you guys, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to change that, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys very, very soon with the next video. Until then, stay dapper. Bye.